Hello! I am evil supervillain, the Master Roger. The evil applications of time travel are many. Hello! Hello! It's like an after-school special about the dangers of time travel. Master Roger number 1 went out yesterday and never came home. Apparently, I've been kidnapped. Roger number 1 has already been eliminated, and I have Roger number 2 tagged and right where I want him. The correlations explain how I got here, but not you. You'll soon realise that I can't possibly be a Master Roger, and my plan will be ruined. It's been 3 days. I don't think I can last much longer. Hello! Master Roger here. Day 4 of my captivity and my circumstances have improved dramatically. It turns out the thing that I was sitting on all this time is a mini-bar. I wondered where that humming noise was coming from. As you can see, it's filled with all kinds of beverages and snacks. Macadamia nut. Now that I'm regaining my strength, I can renew my efforts to escape. There is still no indication of who has abducted me, other than their preference for Mexican beer and chilled tequila. This truly is a cat and mouse game of life and death, and now it's my turn to be the cat. Gosh, I hope this isn't like an honor bar and I end up getting stiffed with a huge bill. Hello. What are you working on now? Something different, I hope. Yes, it's a levitation device. Just finished. Can I put you down as a prospective test pilot? That would be exciting, yes. All right, done. So how does it work? It's so small. It's a simple graviton inhibitor, combined with psychoreactive inertial vectoring for rudimentary propulsion. Fascinating! How does one use it? You just take it internally to achieve neutral buoyancy, and then movement should be completely intuitive. So you swallow it? No, in order to achieve stable flight, the device has to be below your center of gravity. So you have to take it the other way. Oh! A suppository. Well, I guess that's a small inconvenience in the name of science. This is a prototype for preliminary testing. Levitating a human will require a slightly larger inconvenience. Define larger. Take my name off that list. Right. Where's the cat? Hello, door. I don't like you, and you don't like me. And one of us has got to go. Look over there. Ha! Fool you. Surprise attack. Oh! Oh, I shouldn't have eaten the worm. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I've got a surprise for you. This is perfect. This levitation device will keep him occupied for days. Just finding a willing test pilot could take weeks. There is nothing stopping me now. Soon I will find the diamond, and then all of the Master Roger's wealth and mystical powers will be mine.